In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Kimi AI's agent mode effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the interface and utilize the features available within the agent mode to enhance your experience. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Kimi AI website. Verify that you are on the correct page, which should display the Kimi AI logo prominently along with various features and options related to AI integration. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Agent on the home page. This action will redirect you to the agent mode interface, where you will see options and tools designed specifically for this functionality. Once you are in the agent mode, click on the websites option. This section allows you to manage website-related tasks and access templates that can be customized for your needs. After that, you will see a prompt to select template. Click on this option to view a variety of pre-designed templates available for use. Take a moment to review the options presented and choose one that suits your project. Once you've selected a template, you may need to repeat the selection process if prompted. Ensure that you confirm your choice before proceeding to the next step. Next, navigate back to the agent menu and click on Docs. This section contains documentation and resources that can assist you in utilizing the AI features effectively. Then, click on Featured Docs cases to explore different documentation examples. These cases provide insights into how the AI can be applied in various scenarios and may help you understand its capabilities better. Proceed to the Slides section by selecting it from the Agent menu. This area is dedicated to creating presentations, which can be vital for sharing information visually. Once in the Slides section, you will see an option to select style. Click this to choose a design style for your presentation. Different styles will provide varied aesthetics and layouts. After selecting a style, navigate back to the Agent menu and click on Sheets. This option allows you to work with spreadsheet functionalities, which can be useful for data management. In the Sheets section, click on Featured Sheets cases to review examples of how the AI can assist with data organization and analysis. These cases can provide practical insights into the capabilities of the AI. Next, return to the Agent menu and select Deep Research. This section is focused on advanced research capabilities, which can be beneficial for in-depth analysis. Click on Featured Deep Research cases to explore various research scenarios. Understanding these examples can help you leverage the AI for comprehensive research tasks. Once you've explored the research cases, navigate back to the Agent menu and click on Agent Swarm. This feature allows for collaborative AI functionalities, enhancing the effectiveness of your projects. In the Agent Swarm section, select Featured Agent Swarm cases to view examples of collaborative AI efforts. These cases illustrate how multiple agents can work together effectively. After reviewing the Agent Swarm examples, return to the Agent menu and click on Prompt. Here, you can input specific commands or queries to interact with the AI. Type in a command such as create reports about medical case to instruct the AI on the task you want it to perform. This input will help the AI understand your requirements. Next, click on the Enter button to submit your command. After submission, you will see a loading indicator or a message indicating that the AI is processing your request. Finally, wait for the AI to generate the requested report. Depending on the complexity of the task, this may take a moment. Be patient as the AI compiles the information you requested. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.